Warning, don't be a lazy
Jane, you ignorant,
and try and turn on your motorcycle to spin your chain for you. Keep your engine off. To clean your chain, you need 5 things. 1, chain cleaner. 2, chain lubricant. 3, nylon brush. 4, cleaning rag. 5, old cardboard. You'll use this cardboard to protect your rear tire from the slippery chemicals that you'll be spraying on your chain. This is a list of some respected chain cleaners and chain lubricants. If you're in a third world country and the store doesn't have any of these products, just ask for the best products available. Cleaning your chain takes 4 steps. Step 1, get access to your chain. There are 3 options to do so. Option A, if your motorcycle has a center stand, you can pop up the entire motorcycle. Option B, you can buy a bike stand to raise the rear tire. Option C, you can find an area where you can move your motorcycle forward and backward. That way you can fully access the chain. Step 2, apply your chain cleaner. You can let the chain cleaner sit for a few minutes to go to work. This is a great opportunity for you to check your tire air pressure. Step 3, use your nylon brush to clean your chain. This is a dirty chain, this is a clean chain. Step 4, apply your chain lubricant. This is a dry chain, this is a lubricated chain. This is Dodo. Dodo claims that you don't have to waste chain lubricant spraying your entire motorcycle chain. You only need to spray part of your chain. When you ride your motorcycle, supposedly the lubricant will be dispersed throughout your whole chain. Dodo is very proud that he's only used 1 can of chain lubricant for the past decade. Dodo goes through chains like dirty underwear. Don't do your chain dirty like that. Do things right, lubricate your whole chain. As my girlfriend likes to say, it's better to use too much lubricant than too little. Excess dirt and debris on your motorcycle chain can lead to slipping, skipping, or even breaking, which could lead to a lost life. With motorcycles, you don't get a second chance. Shirts are available for purchase in the description. You like it?